Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a surgical episode of Network Admin Life. I'm dressed kind of funny because I'm in the operating room area of the hospital. And even though it's not real clean in here where I am, I have to walk through the surgery to get here. And you have to, be completely covered to get in here. I thought I'd give you a quick view of our OR operating room network closet. We used the same strategy in cleanup as I did the others. Switches were over here, all the patch panels were over here. We had cables going back and forth, and it was a complete mess. So what we do, as I've said before, is we will take out the cable management that was right here, look just like this. We had them mounted here and here and here. We took those out and mounted the switches, as you can see. And then we used just short little 1-foot cables to connect the patch panel to the switch. Now in this case, I used what they call the slim run cables. They're really thin. They make it really easy to see the switch. There's been some concern about how they would handle power over Ethernet. So far, they seem to have done just fine. We run phones over these. We run wireless access points over them, and they've been able to handle all the power needs of PoE. And I just like them because they're very small and easy. I can look in there and see what lights are flashing very easily. So that's what we do. Now also, the other thing is that these switches, let's see if I can get around here and get a picture of this. Yeah, I guess they can see that there. There we go. These switches have redundant power supplies. It's nice that they are hot swappable, so I can, maybe this one's easier to see, I don't know. I can replace power supplies. I can walk power cords over to different places. So yeah, it's kind of nice. And so what we do is we will plug one of these power cords into a UPS, and then the other power cord goes into way up there is emergency power. It's hard to see up there. I'll show you what it looks like over here. So we'll have these red plugs, and that's connected to a generator. So just about all the plugs here in the hospital are, where is it? There it is, red plugs. So that means it's generator power. So as I said, one leg of the power cord goes into the UPS, which is up over here. Just a nice small little UPS. It'll only run for about 10 minutes or so if you had to use it. One goes to that, one goes to the generator power, so that when we do lose power and switch over to the generator, the UPS will keep these switches up just long enough for the transfer to happen, and it all works out really well. And I plug them to plug it into the emergency power. I use this power panel down here, which will show me the amount of current it's drawing. It has two inputs as well. So, kind of nice. I have one of the power legs connected to one circuit, one power leg connected to the other circuit. So, should we lose power on one circuit, we should be able to hook it up on the other. So anyway, that's it. I thought I would just do a brief update and just a quick look at our operating room wiring closet. So that's it for today. This is just a little bonus episode as long as I was out. I figured you guys would get a kick seeing me dressed up like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. So anyway, you guys have a great day. Grace and peace to you from our Lord Jesus Christ. And as always, to God alone be the glory. Soli Deo Gloria. Catch you later.